Okay, welcome once again. Now we are doing the 19th problem in our series. This is on circular motion. So the problem reads an object in circular motion has, okay, so there are four options given here. The first thing many students understand is that when there is a circular motion like this, now let us say this is my particle which is here. You applied a force. As a result of it, what happened? Now this is a velocity vector because the particle goes like this. Now when it is going like this, it is speeding up. If it is speeding up like this, then what will be the direction of acceleration? People generally think, okay, this should be your acceleration, right? So that's why I observed some of them had written velocity and acceleration are in the same direction. Okay, this is impossible. So let us understand what is happening here. So usually when an object is in circular motion, okay, first let us consider 2 points. Okay, let me consider this is your point A, this is your another point B over here. Okay, so now the velocity of the particle at this point is nothing but, let us say this is u, and this point, okay, I can draw a tangent here which is v. Now you can ask me, why am I writing v here? Okay, and why it is tangent like this? Why can't it be like this, and so on, right? So the reason is because, you see, when you cut the string here, there is a stone attached to a string. When you cut this string, what will be the direction of the speed? What will happen to the particle? The particle will fly tangentially, right? When does a particle fly tangentially? Only when its velocity is along a given direction. So if the pushing is in this direction, definitely it will go like this. Okay, so velocity is in this direction. So it goes like that. So here also, if you cut it here, then it will go in this direction. So we have taken this as u and this as v over here. Now what we do is, what is acceleration? Acceleration is v minus u divided by t. What is v? Final velocity. Let me write it vectorially because acceleration is also a vector. See, v is like this, u is like this, right? So towards it, what is v minus u? Now let us draw the vectors. See, vectors becomes very, very important. This is your vector v, and this u is now like this. See, this was your u, this was your plus u. I just took a parallel vector u over here. Now minus u will be like this over. Agreed? Now what do I need? I need v minus u. So v minus u is nothing but v plus of minus u. Am I right? So therefore v plus of minus u. What I do is I'll pull this minus u vector here. I'll pull this minus u vector over here. So this v plus of minus u would be adding this vector and this vector, finally getting this vector, right? This would be your v plus of minus. So now I'll take the same vector, map it here. So you see this vector, I'll draw it parallelly here. This is my vector. Now what's happening? This v minus u vector divided by t. Okay, t is a scalar. Okay, if I put t equal to 1, I can get a equal to v minus u, which means in 1 second, let us assume that the particle has started from here, it has gone over here. So v minus u is now pointing in this direction. Now where is it pointing? It's pointing towards the radius, right? Now this radius, okay, now it's pointing towards the radius. Now this radius will always be perpendicular to the tangent. Got it? Radius is always perpendicular to tangent. This is something which you have learned, right, in geometry. So therefore, now what is the radius vector here? Acceleration vector. What is your tangent vector here? See, here it was a tangent of this point. If I consider a tangent here, this will also be a velocity vector. So this will be a velocity vector. The angle between them will always be 90 degrees. Thus, which of the option is correct here? Velocity and acceleration are perpendicular to each other. Okay, C is the right option. Okay, so like this you need to analyze. So vectors become a very, 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 very important component. So in understanding either mechanics, magnetism, electrostatics, whichever chapter you take, if you want to master physics, then definitely vectors is a very important topic. Without vectors, you cannot proceed further. Okay, fine. So let me stop here. And in the next class, we'll see some more examples. Thank you, friends, for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.